Late nights under neon light, dreams alive but out of sight. Working hard while the world sleeps, planting roots forever deep. No applause, no crowd around, only silence, only ground. But every scar and every tear built the voice they'll someday hear. They only see the mountain high, not the thousand times you tried. They see the crown upon your head, not the nights you almost quit instead. This is the sound of effort no one hears. The fight inside, the hidden pain, the unseen years. Every fall, every breath, every fear becomes the fire. The sound of effort no one hears. Hands were shaking, heart was tired, still you walked through every fire. People judged what they could see, never saw the war beneath. You kept building brick by brick, holding on when hope was thin. Now the light begins to rise, after darkness filled your skies. They only see the victory, not the price of destiny. They see success up in the air, but never felt the weight you bear. This is the sound of effort no one hears. The silent climb, the discipline through all the years. Every wound, every battle, every tear turns to strength. The sound of effort no one hears. One day the world will understand. Greatness grows with unseen hands. Character is forged in pain. Faithful hearts endure the rain. When nobody believed at all, you still answer to the call. Now your story standing here echoes loud and crystal clear. This is the sound of effort no one hears. The soul that kept believing through the years. Never stop. Every sacrifice is it became the voice. The sound of effort no one hears. Behind every visible dream, there's an invisible fight. And behind every true success, there was someone who refused to give up. Late nights under neon light, dreams alive but out of sight. Working hard while the world sleeps, planting roots forever deep. No applause, no crowd around, only silence, only ground. But every scar and every tear build a voice they'll someday hear. They only see the mountain high, not the thousand times you tried. They see the crown upon your head, not the nights you almost quit instead.
fire. People judge what they could see, never saw the world beneath. You kept building brick by brick, holding on when hope was thin. Now the light begins to rise, after darkness filled your skies.
They only see the victory, not the price of destiny. They see success up in the air, but never felt the weight you bear. This is the sound of effort no one hears, the silent climb, the discipline. Through all the years, every wound, every battle, every tear turns to strength. The sound of effort no one hears. One day the world will understand. Greatness grows with unseen hands. Character is forged in pain. Faithful hearts endure the rain. When nobody believed at all, you still answer to the call. Now your thought is standing here, echoes loud and crystal clear. This is the sound of effort no one hears, the soul that kept believing through the years. Every step, every sacrifice sincerely became the voice, the sound of effort no one hears. Behind every visible dream, there's an invisible fight, and behind every true success, there was someone who refused to give up.